30 women were examined in a hospital by a doctor and their heartbeats per minute were recorded and summarized as shown. Find the heartbeats per minute for these women choosing a suitable method. So the number of heartbeats per minute is 65 to 68. So this rating is for 2 women, and the rating of this has been noted by 4 women, and 71 to 74 by 3, 74 to 77 8, 77 to 80 is 7, 80 to 83 is 4, and 83 to 86 is 2. So here we this is small data, and still we can use the step deviation method or any method we can use. I am using step deviation method to solve this problem. So the formula for mean using step deviation method is A plus H into sigma of Fi ui by sigma of Fi. So here you can select the assumed mean or any mean. We will take mean as middle term of class xi. So to find class xi, we will find the average of the intervals, which is 65 plus 68 by 2. That will be 66.5, and 68 plus 71 by 2, that will be 69.5, and 71 plus 74 by 2, that will be 72.5, 74 plus 77 by 2, that will be 75.5, 77 plus 80 by 2, that will be 78.5, and 80 plus 83 by 2, that will be 81.5, 83 plus 86 by 2, that will be 84.5. So we will take the assumed mean as the middle term. So to find the middle term, which is 75.5. So we can eliminate the last 2 terms and the second last 2 terms. And the third last 2 terms, we have the middle term as 75.5. Therefore, the assumed mean is 75.5. So the di will be xi minus a, which is xi minus 75.5. And ui is taken as xi minus a by h, which is xi minus a is 75.5 by 3. And h is the class size of the class, which is 68 minus 65 or 71 minus 68, which is 3. So now we have fi directly given, which is number of women, and we have found xi as average of 68 and 65 plus 68 by 2 and so on. And assumed mean, we are considering it as 75.5, which is the middle term of xi. So now here a is 75.5. Now xi minus a, 65 minus a is minus 75.5 is 9, minus 9, and 69.5 minus 75.5 will be minus 6, and so on. And ui will be xi minus a by h, which is minus 9 by 3 minus 3, and FIUI is the product of 2 and minus 3. And here xi minus a, xi is 69.5 minus a is 75.5 minus 6. So minus 6 by 3 is minus 2, and minus 2 times of 4 is 8, minus 8. Again, xi is 72.5 minus 75.5, which is minus 3. Minus 3 divided by 3 is minus 1, and minus 1 times of 3 is minus 3. And xi minus a, 75.5 minus 75.5 is 0. So 0 by 3 is 0, and 0 times of 8 is also 0. Now 78.5 minus 75.5, which is 3, and 3 by 3 is 1, and 1 times of 7 is 7. Again, 81.5 minus 75.5 is 6, 6 by 3 is 2, 2 times of 4 is 8. Now 84.5 minus 75.5, which is 9, 9 divided by 3 is 9, 9 divided by 3 is 3, 3 times of 2 is 6. Now we will find the sum of sigma of FIUI, which is sum of these FIUIs. So that will be 4. Now if we observe here, we can also easily calculate this one. If we just write 0 value of di for assumed mean and increase the value by adding the h to the downside of it. So 0 plus 3 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 3 plus 3 is 9. Again, upper side subtract it, minus 3 minus 6 minus 9. So we can easily calculate like that also. So the formula for mean is a plus h into sigma of fi ui by sigma of fi. So here a is given as, so we have taken a as 75.5 and h is 3, sigma of fi ui is 4 and sigma of fi is 30. So 3 1 times, 3 10 times, 4 by 10 will be 0.4. So 75.5 plus 0.4 is 75.9. Therefore the mean is 75.9.